Morning Otters, I hope you're all fine and ready for another phonics session this week. So let's get started with our sounds. Remember, I'm going to show you the sound and you will do the action and say the sound. Excellent. Okay, today our sounds that we're going to go over are two that I think you've been set by Mrs. F. And we're going to focus on the O and the ow. So they've got the same letters but they make different sounds. So I'm going to put brown cow, the ow, as our gotcha card. So remember to do it really quickly. And then shout gotcha when you see it. Okay, I'll put it in again. Excellent. Okay, right, now we're going to go straight on to our tricky words today. So, I know you're brilliant at reading your tricky words. Let's do these together. Excellent. Okay, I might just see if you can remember how to spell some of these words. So I'm going to ask you to spell them. So you need to say the letters that you need to spell them. So how do you spell have? How do you spell what? How do you spell some? How do you spell little? How do you spell come? How do you spell like? Good, okay. Now what we're going to do is go over some of the ow and o sounds that I spoke about earlier. So, this is with the ow sound. So I'll do the first one, sound it out and then blend it. Ow, how. And you can do the rest. Excellent. Now, there's two words in there that can be quite tricky for you when you're doing your reading and your spelling. Because as we've got O is in blow the snow and ow is in brown cow, these two words, they could be b-ow, bow, or r-ow, row, but they could also be b-o, bow, and r-o, row. So what's really important is that you read the full sentences in your reading books, because if you read the rest of the sentence, you'll be able to work out whether it's row, or row, or bow, or bow. Because otherwise they look exactly the same. So there's no other way of knowing how you're supposed to pronounce it. So today for your first bit of learning is, I've done some sentences. The first one is, Mum put my hair in a, would that be bow or bow? Okay, and the next one, please when the show ends. Please when the show ends, would that be bow or bow? Okay, so by reading the rest of the sentence, you can usually tell which one it is. So the first one should be, Mum put my hair in a bow. Please bow when the show ends. Should put a comma in there, never mind. And then the next one is, the children had a over who was the best. Would that be row or row? So that one is, the children had a row over who was the best. The last one says, quickly, faster and get to the shore. Is that row or row? It is. Quickly, row faster and get to the shore. Okay, so if you read the rest of the sentence, you can usually guess which one you have to choose. So what I would like you to do is to do 4 sentences for me today. One that's got row in it, another one that's got row in it, one that's got bow in it, and another one that has got bow in it. And that's all I need you to do today, so